In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the max and min functions. What these functions do is return a value from a data set that's either the maximum value or the minimum value. So really simple to use basically. So we've got a range of data here. It's just from a fictional IT store that sells second-hand equipment. So keyboards, laptops, monitors in excellent, good or poor condition, and then all their prices are here in column C. So let's say we want to find out what the maximum price of all their items is. So to do that, we can do equals max, press tab, then highlight all of these cells, control shift down, and then hit enter. And then we get 860, and it only takes a quick look at this data to see that that is indeed the highest value, the maximum value. And then if we want to turn this into a min function, let's just replace these three letters with min. Hit enter and we get $6, and again we can clearly see that that is the lowest value, the minimum value. So that's just a quick introduction to the max and min functions. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.